Today we're going to talk about 8 things a buyer should know before they hire an inspector and what to look for. Stay right with me. We'll start in just a minute. Hi, I'm Karen O'Brien, broker with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Commonwealth in the Boston area. And my channel is Boston and the Burbs, everything about the vicinity of Boston, especially Metro West and South. I post new videos about real estate every single Wednesday. So hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified. Every week you'll get new tips for free about real estate in the Boston area. Thanks so much for after you get into contract. Number 1, you want to think about good bones. So if you're looking at a house or even a condominium, you want to look at the outside and the inside, what the condition is in general. So just keep that in the back of your mind. Number 2, heating and air conditioning. So when you're going through the house maybe for the second or third time and you're ready to make an offer or you've made the offer, look at the heating, what kind it is, how old it is, and ask the agent, any issues. Is it need to be replaced in the next couple of years, or did the seller have paperwork saying that they serviced it, on a regular basis? Number 3, check the windows. Look around. Are they original? Are they 30 years old? Are they new vinyl? Are they double paned? That's going to make a big difference as far as energy efficiency. Number 4, the roof. How's the roof look? You can't always see, but if you can take a quick look, are there patches on it? Have there been any leaks? All these things you can ask in advance of scheduling your inspector. Number 5, electrical. Look at the fuse box or the circuit breakers, and they should be now circuit breakers, and just see how many amps there are. Make sure that it's not from 40 years ago, or you're going to have to spend some money, and that's good to know in advance. Number 5, plumbing. So you want to flush toilets, you want to run the sink, you want to make sure the drains aren't clogged and the water runs slow, because all those things add up. Even if you have to hire a plumber to clean a couple of drains, it's a couple of $100. So just good to be prepared. Number 7, proper venting. So check the dryer. Dryers have venting outside. People don't always clean the lint. If that thing is packed with lint, that'll cost you, let's see, I think I paid $400 to have a new vent taken out and replaced because it was so lined with lint. It's probably been that way for 20 years. Number 8, drainage. Look in the yard. It'd be nice if you could look on a rainy day. Look around the foundation. Does everything look good? And the basement, is it dry? Are there any dark spots on the basement walls? So while you're shopping, it's good to have this little list in the back of your mind, because you want to see all these things up front, and they will help you make a decision. If everything is spick and span, then making an offer knowing you won't have to do much, at least for a few years, is a great calming feeling when you're writing an offer for a large amount of money. I hope you enjoyed this video. There should be, let's see, another one right here. I have a couple on inspections and related real estate tips for buyers and sellers. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Hit the bell, hit the subscription. Thank you.